Okay, so the game that I've chosen to explore is Admondo. So the purpose of the game is to teach core and ad literacy concepts through an entertaining game with multiple levels and challenges. It says that you can explore, discover, and learn about ads, like who makes ads, how do they work, what do they do, and it just makes young children aware of like advertising all around them. So the first step is that you can like randomize an outfit and like customize it and everything. So that's really engaging for kids. So welcome to Admondo. It gives you clear instructions on how to move around and everything. And it has like a little like practice level, but then you can choose different areas on the map. So if we go to the ad studio, for
Advertising
example,
is all around you. But what is it? And how does it work?
it shows you different ads in like different contexts that would be in real life. So this looks like a factory sort of thing. And it has examples of ads all around. You have goals of collecting money. And then here's an ad, so you can click Get Challenge. Takes you to the challenge station. Get ready for a challenge. Okay, this froze last time, so it doesn't have, it's a bit of a, like bad technicalities, so we'll just skip through this again. So we'll go to a different spot on the map.
Advertising's everywhere. Get educated. Learn to recognize it.
But yeah, it teaches kids how to like recognize ads when they see them. So here you have to like, one of the tasks is that you have to collect ads. So you press spacebar, it collects an ad for you. Okay, and again it's frozen. But other tasks in the game is that you have to like collect as much money as you can. And they also give you tasks such as like finding different advertisements and stuff. And the overall aim of the game is to like make young children aware of advertising. In the synopsis it says like how much an influence children have on the spending of their parents' money, like based on advertising, whether it's on computers, in real life, on TVs. So I think this game is really effective in giving children the knowledge and skills to be able to recognize advertising and just know like why it's around and stuff, so they don't have to always give in to advertising. So apart from like the technicalities of the game, which are a bit hard to use and it tends to glitch and freeze a bit, I think the concept is effective in teaching kids about ad literacy. So yeah, bye.